Hi, my name is Annie, and I'm a project manager at a lumber manufacturer. Today I'm going to show you how we utilize the Kanban and List views. I need to create a new task card for a batch sample. It's as easy as going into the status of to do and typing in the title. All I have to do is press enter and the task card immediately appears. Here we are in the Kanban view. When I'm trying to read through the task cards quickly, I prefer to use the List view. To switch to this view, all I have to do is go to the right-hand corner of the project box and select the List view. The ability to switch through the Kanban view and the List view helps individualize the user experience. Some of my colleagues have a preference, but I use both to optimize my workflow. Other platforms typically restrict the views to a manager-centric or preferred view. You can see that the task card information shows the same information in the List view as it does in the Kanban view. All the information is intact no matter what view you choose to work with on Swit. I can even change the status of this task card by dragging and dropping this into doing. The ability to drag and drop within Swit automatically adjusts the metadata within the task card. It removes redundancy in my workflow and keeps everything moving at maximum efficiency. Since the metadata is preserved in both the task card view and the project view, I'm able to save clicks and manage tasks without time-consuming steps. Now I'm going to go ahead and view this task card in the bucket view. The bucket view allows me to categorize task cards. Since this task card belongs in the batches bucket, I can simply drag and drop this into that bucket. Again, the metadata automatically updates with my adjustments. This will help my team categorize the tasks better by knowing exactly where to find tasks related to batches. I will now transfer to the team view. I can assign a colleague to a task card within the team view. All I have to do is drag and drop this task card into the teammates bucket. I'm going to assign this task to Kim so that she can manage this card. By doing this, Kim will be directly notified without me having to disrupt my workflow to go notify her directly. I will transfer back to the Kanban view, which will show me the workload of each of my teammates. With drag and drop capabilities in both views, it makes assigning metadata incredibly efficient. The ability to switch from Kanban to List view helps personalize your workflow. I love the workflow personalization options on Swit, and we hope to hear how you love them too.